Okay guys, good afternoon. So we are looking here at the Tesla chart. This is in the morning. This is the breakdown. Okay, so it was a massive move down. Okay, so we have very good signals here.
Short
Then
signal
then we
Tesla.
then we see the market reverse here. Well, if you are short from here, it's very difficult to go long. But okay, so here was the signal when it broke the ATR. This is the signal from the tape. Okay, the tape will put you some signals in the bar. Okay, so these blue lines, or if it's short, if 80% of the tape is red, meaning more sellers. Okay, so it would print magenta lines on the bars. Okay, if you move from your desk, you can check, if what's the market doing, what happened, so you can quickly get up to date. Okay, so you see here they started pushing again. We see 51,000 contracts here, then 32,000 contracts. Was a good short here. This one was a good short, 49,000 uh, stocks, I mean. Okay, then we see a second push. We are still below the
Short signal
ATR,
Aapl.
so no buying here, guys. So well, it's a lot of mumbo jumbo here. I don't like this type of activity. As always, again, repeats, when they break the ATR, you see the power of the tape. Okay, so it's very important to understand what you're looking at. You see the power of the tape breaking the ATR again. Okay, so make a double bottom, then we go long very quickly to the upside. This was in 3 minutes, I think, so it's made all this run. Then we see buyers here fishing. You see the guys here, all this bottom fishing, lots of buyers. They don't want to go short anymore, so they're just picking it to the close. Maybe, I don't know. Okay, so then we see another imbalance here, another 62,000 lots. As always, respect the ATR. It's a puncture and reverse. Okay, that's what the market do all day long, guys. You need to be. The thing is that you need to have confidence in what you're looking at. Okay, so once you see this, okay, if the majority of the time the tape dries and just goes reverse. Okay, so it's not like it's really very complicated to have a big confidence in saying that the market will reverse from here. You see, right now we see 31,000 lots bought to the upside, so it's hitting this support area. Okay, so market maybe can go higher from here. I don't know, but it can be. Look at this reversal here. That the bars were going up, and the tape was saying no, we're going short. This is the you can call this time and sales divergence. Okay, so and it worked. It just went down. Okay, guys. Now we're looking at the spiders. Okay, the spiders. Well, very good signals too. Excellent. You can see the high frequency trading triangle here. You see this over here. This little guy here. This comes from the time and sale. These guys, the price went up and they just hit it with a short in the tape. So when you see this triangle near the ATR, these guys, this is the place where institutions meet. Okay, so this system is very institutional, guys. These setups are very institutional because, as you can see, you can review your charts. Okay, so you see when the market touches and reverses. Okay, touches and reverses. Okay, here touched and reversed. Over here it broke, but as you can see, there is a reversal bar. So, you know, here is another high frequency triangle. You see it over here, guys. Exactly at the ATR, exactly at the ATR. So, it's the system is working very well. I think it's more than enough for you to make a good trade living of trading. You see, with the 80,000 stocks bought here, and you high frequency trading triangle again, short sellers came in strongly, but yes, as always, they reversed it. Okay, this went up in a minute. All this. So trading that type of environment is very, very complicated. You need to be very good at what you're doing. As you can see, market just couldn't go above this area. Okay, so you need to be aware of these guys too. See this area here. Market never went up. It tagged it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 times. The 7th time it went down. Then we see the ATR again and reverse. Just tags and reverse. Tags and reverse.
Long signal
Tags
Aapl.
and reverse. Okay, so that's how it works, guys. This is how the system works. I will encourage you to, just trade the weekly options, guys. Weekly options. You can trade with very little money. You don't, in I think in Think or Swim or Ameritrade. Okay, so that's a very good place to, to open an account and trade the options. Okay, so you can trade very little. So instead of trading the spiders, okay, or if you have enough cash, you can go ahead and buy the complete package to trade the stock. As you can see here, we got 75,000. We have
Long signal SPY.
63,000 here.
Long signal Aapl.
You see that, guys?
Long signal
You see
Aapl.
that?
Long signal SPY.
You see that, guys? You bought here some option. You'll be winning right now 200, 300 bucks.
Long signal SPY.
400 bucks at least. At least. There's a high frequency trading triangle here. Maybe you can see it. It's not that visual, but there it is. There were 31 prints in the same second, guys. It's a lot of volume. We see another 16 prints in the same second. It's incredible. You don't see that on the futures market. Okay, they have trap traders here because all this buying, they need to puke. Or they're still holding. Are they still holding? Maybe it's institution, guys. This is not you and me. These are institutions. They're gonna be adding to the position maybe. They already know nobody can trade that way, guys. This is too much money. They already know they're gonna push the price up. Playing hot hands, these guys. Got 15 minutes to the close. Okay, here the power shares QQQ. Okay, it's almost the same as the Tesla and everything, but we remember we saw that's the area of resistance here. It was tagged less, but
Short signal Aapl.
but it was tagged 3 times, and then the market dived in. So you see the signals here, time and sell. You can see the trap traders here. When you see these blue lines inside this area here, they tag the price. Or here they want to go long, I think so, but it's not logical because I don't know who does all this, because if you are below the 2 ATRs, meaning that we are below the 15-minute chart, we are going down. So who is enough sane to buy here? So this can be high frequency trader, just just winning a little bit and exiting the market for 2 or 3 cents. Okay, they got the technology and the ability to do that. So just don't be amazed of what you can see here in this market, guys. It's incredible. These guys, the machines they use is really from another planet. Okay, so it's very complicated to trade against them. But if you're in their favor, it's good because sometimes the market moves very hard and you can win very quickly. So that's the way it goes. Okay, we saw here 84,300 stocks short, and then they moved the market down. So we see the tape, you see the magenta, 80% of the tape is red.
Long signal Tesla.
Then we see 50,000 contracts long here. Exactly where these guys were at the ATR. You think this is coincidence, guys? Is this a measured move? Is this a measured move?
Long signal Tesla. Long signal Tesla.
There you go, guys. You see, you bought from here in a call option on Tesla or whatever. You should be winning now. Exit the trade and 200, 300 bucks.
Long signal SPY.
There you see, guys, 115,000 contracts, and you see the high frequency triangle here. There's big people trading this market, guys. Big sharks here. Okay, guys, so that's it for me today. Thanks for watching. If you're interested in the system, there's the link in the description of this video. You can contact me.
Long
Okay,
long
so
long
I will
signal
be happy to
SPY.
send you information. We're still working on the charts, guys. They're not really finished yet, so maybe
Long signal
tomorrow,
SPY.
tomorrow I can be maybe finishing everything. I've been supervising them all day long, so you know, so make everything
Long
work.
signal
Then
SPY.
makes a very good signal.
Long signal SPY.
Okay, guys. So thanks for watching. Bye bye.